It's Friday. Did I scare you, Fina? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. It's Friday. The sun's out right now. It's bathing the 36 or the 35. It's out there bathing. It's got a little bit of water on it still. I'm watching it though. The sun's out, looking at it. Maybe later on today, have a little fun, go out and play with it maybe. But right now, I'm still in here on the truck. I have fiberglassed more seams, probably since the video I have. The door lock got cut out and welded up. Jolene welded the other one up. You can see that on Facebook if you want to see her weld up the other door lock, because that's what has been done. She welded that one. I did this one. We basically got all the seams covered, basically, with the fiberglass reinforced filler. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put some body fill on top of it, Bondo, whatever you want to call it, mud, whatever. And I'm going to mud the whole thing. I'm going to mud the whole thing. And the reason being is I have the fiberglass on the seams for any pinholes or anything that tries to break out, just trying to be precautious. Now the mud is going to be put on to make one surface. If you look at this right now, this surface right here is the ocean floor. This is the ocean floor. And if the ocean floor, I don't have any, look at that, I got a piece of chalk over here. If the ocean floor has any bumps in it whatsoever, what we are going to do is we are going to flood it with mud. So I can show that probably, you know, if the ocean floor was like that or whatever, we got an ocean floor, or if the ocean floor has got a little tiny, whatever it is. What I'm saying is it has to be flooded. So we have to have our filler at least like that. At least like that. The truck is the ocean floor. We have to flood it. We have to at least get it there, get it like that. When we bring the flood down, when we sand it down, when we hit the ocean floor, which is the truck, and the highest spot is where you stop. The highest spot where you stop. When you're trying to make a straight, well, it's not a straight, we don't actually want it straight. You stop when you hit the highest spot, because once we get the water down, or the flood down here, then what do you see? You see that. So if you can picture it, the whole truck has to be covered. I do not like having, we'll just say for instance, a little bit of land showing here, a little bit of land showing there, what I mean, not land, ocean floor. When you get a little bit of ocean floor showing anywheres, to me, I don't like that. I want the flood to cover it all and go just to its highest spot, and that's it. And the reason being is straight is straight. When you have a little bit of a graze on it, it looks so much better than straight. Panels are not made straight on the car, so it's basically hard to get them straight like that. They all have a little curve to them. But basically that's what's going on. We want to flood this truck out. We've got